Hello, welcome back to Ghanaian Nomad. In this episode, I went to a place called Eastern. This is where they sell urban food I made, like pounded yam, need fufu, plantain yam, anything you could think of African, they sell it there. So what I did was I bought these items. What I'm planning to do is, because I'm not in Ghana at the moment, I want to cook fufu, but because I love pounded fufu, you know, I love like our proper authentic fufu, and I'm longing to eat some authentic Ghanaian food, I want to go experiment this. So I bought this plantain, I bought it from Eastern. You can see over the video, I bought all these items. Then I got home, then I start preparing. This is just experiment. If you think this is good for you, you can experiment it. Please do like the video. I hope you enjoyed this experience we made today. So thank you. Let's get in straight in. What I have in here, I have a meat, like a beef. Then I have an intestine, which is a goat meat. Then I have a garlic, I have chilies, and I have a parsley. So I'm going to steam this meat to the softest. And then from there, then I'm going to make my live soup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I chop all the plantain. This is my plantain. This is the remaining, so I can see exactly what I'm doing. So I chop this plantain. What I'm going to do, I'm going to boil this plantain. And then once it gets soft, then I'm going to blend it. So that's what I'm going to do. So I hope you stay tuned and enjoy the process. See right now, the plantain is cooked. I just let it cool down a bit. And then what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to blend it. So this is how the fufu will look like after using the plantain and the meat fufu. What do you think, guys? If you really enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video and subscribe. Thank you very much. Subscribe for more. Let me enjoy my food. So guys, I've made this food, so I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like the video and subscribe for more. Let's dive in. Oh my god.